Hello. Good morning, play class. Assalamu alaikum. Here's Miss Isha, class teacher of Playgroup. So, I'm here to teach you about the numbers. So, let us start. First of all, we will count these guitars. So, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now you will guess which number we are going to learn today. Number 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Our previous number was 1, 4, 14. And now we will learn number 15 today. So let's learn how to write number 15 on the dots. First of all, here are the dots. Place a pencil on this dot. Come down straight like this, and then make 5. Place a pencil here, come down, make a belly of 5, make it round, touch the line, come up, and make a hat here. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. So now we are going to learn how to write number 15 without dots. Here are 3 dots here. Place a pencil on this dot. Come down straight and make sure your line should be straight. Make a straight line here, then place a pencil here, come down like this, make a belly of 5, make it round from here, touch the line and come up and make a hat here. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Again we are going to write number 15 here. Place a pencil on this dot. Come down straight, then place a pencil here, come down, make belly of 5, make it round from here, come up and then make a head of the 5. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. So, play class. This is your classwork, page number 81. Page number 81 will be your classwork and page number 82 will be your homework. And you have to trace this number 1, 5, 15 like this. Place a pencil here, come down straight, then place a pencil here, come here, then come down, then make it round like this and come up. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15.